Got my master window switch, whatever, today from Amazon, and I thought I had to pull the whole door off, but I saw that we don't have to do all of that stuff. So what we're gonna do is get our ID card, slip it under. You feel me? Slip the ID card under. Get you a flathead, slip it under the ID card, and lift this grown up. Oh, a little bit. Take your time. And voila. The rest is straightforward. You pull these two wires out, and voila. You got your fixed window. So you don't have to be using a screwdriver to get down in there. Hey, yo, Dodge, fix your vehicles, bruh. All of the vans I seen online, they have that same button issue. Alright?